Hi guys! Today I've got, you guessed it, my lemonade box. My name's Fawn and this is my channel and it's a happy place. At least I try to make it a happy place, not always. I do unboxings, I do hauls, I do little bits of everything really, trying some new things this year. So if you think you might like it and might want to come along for the ride, please do. Give me a thumbs up, click subscribe and leave a comment. You guys know how I feel about my lemonade box. It's one of my absolute favourites. So when it came this morning, I had to get straight into it. There was no putting it to one side and I'll get to it later. It was like, bump up the queue, here we go, it's lemonade time. So let's go. So first thing out of the box is the usual, hey you, yeah, the one with the beautiful smile. I don't know why, I had it in my head that for a long time it was glued to the lid of the, you know, the inside lid of the box. But maybe it wasn't, maybe I'm imagining things. And then we have, we're not on the computer this time, we actually have the monthly mission. Ooh, a piece of paper that says New Year goals. And then the January edit of the box. It's nice when it's printed. It's much easier. Well, I'm saying that, I have to put my glasses on, but it is easier. So let's see what our monthly mission is. Here we go. Happy New Year, gorgeous. It's the beginning of a new chapter and we hope you're feeling as positive as we are. You're going to be amazing. This is your year, but we know how overwhelming it can feel in the beginning. Lots of things to work on, lots of goals to reach. Or we're all the same. Most of us weight loss at the minute. Lots of things to do. We understand. We want you to know that you're doing brilliantly already. My stomach is grumbling so bad this morning. I'm going to go and have some eggs in a minute. Your mission this month is to stay focused on the bigger picture and to set yourself small goals each day. Maybe you're striving for that promotion, but at the moment it seems out of reach. That's okay. Set yourself smaller daily goals that will help you get there. Maybe you want to improve your sleeping habits or want to switch up your daily routine. Great. Set yourself small tasks every day to achieve your end goals. According to statistics, I barely started this video and my mouth's not working. According to statistics, you're 42% more likely to achieve your goals if you write them down. That's interesting, isn't it? So inside your January box, you'll find a little sheet, I like this one, which will help you do just that. You can do anything you set your mind to. Don't forget that. Good luck, gorgeous. As always, we're rooting for you. Just a little piece of paper with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines on which to write some goals. I always like goal setting. Can't say I'm brilliant at achieving them, but I always like to set a goal. So here we go. Let's open it up. Ooh, and it's nicely full as always. Ooh. Sandalwood and lemon bath and body oil. Gotta have a sniff of this. Bird is playing with me behind. She's in behind a throw that's hanging down. And he can't resist the fact that she's there. So let's have a look. Let's look at them. Sorry, off subject. Let's have a sniff. Ooh, that smells lovely. Funnily enough, I'm not a big lemon person, but I mean, I love eating lemon. You know, lemon drizzle cake, lemon cheesecake, anything like that. But I'm not mad about smelling like it. But because of the sandalwood, that does smell nice. So what does the blurb say? So that's what it looks like. Who's it by? It's by someone called Spa. I love all the spa things. Where can I put it? I'll put it there a minute while I read. Okay, it's a bath and body oil. From past boxes, we know you love a cheeky bit of skin, so we thought, why not introduce you to their spa range? This comforting treatment oil was specially designed to carefully calm and soothe the mind and body, prepping it for some serious relaxation. Created using a sensuous blend of fragrant sandalwood and rosewood. Essential oils. It ensures the muscles are properly rested and the skin is comforted. The added apricot seeds further nourish the body by hydrating the skin and leaving it feeling super smooth. You can't go wrong. Top tip, add a small amount to a warm bath or under the shower just before rinsing. The oil will instantly emulsify into a milk to leave your skin nourished with no oily residue. And the cost of that is £35. So that's, you know, That's my bottle. That's my bottle. That's my box and then some just in that. That is really nice. I am really interested to try that. I love a good long shower. And funnily enough, I have a very dry skin. Very itchy skin as well just lately. I don't know what's going on. Okay, next out of the box is something called Skin Shot. Hyaluronic Acid Skin Shot by Skin Chemists. Skin Chemists, London. Oh God. Okay, it's an anti-aging. Apply 2 to 3 drops to your skin. So where is it? Here we go. It says the recommended price on this is £109. Okay, dry January, no problem. Nobody said anything about your skin staying sober, did they? This absolutely beautiful serum is currently unreleased. Oh, meaning you guys are the first to try it. How exciting. It's hyaluronic acid, comes with a whole bunch of benefits. It promotes healthier, more supple skin, reduces the visibility of lines and wrinkles, and retains moisture and keeps the skin hydrated. This leads to healthier, smoother and plumper skin cells. Go on, give it a try. I certainly will at 109. Funnily enough, I've nearly finished, nearly, I've nearly finished. I've got a hyaluronic which is from, The Ordinary. And I was using it this morning and I thought, ooh, this is running very low. So that could have arrived at a better time, really. £109. This is a good box, this one. Okay, next up is a hand cream by Rabot 1745. Rabot? I'm sure that's not how you're supposed to say it. It says it's from St. Lucia, I think. Let me have a look. Yeah, from St. Lucia. I've got St. Lucia on the brain because that's where my daughter would like to go to do her quickie marriage. Quickie marriage, that sounds awful. You know what I mean? She's got to do them quickly. But at the moment, you can't travel there. So, but that's where she'd really love to go. And I have been, and it was absolutely amazing. So yeah, that's a funny, one of those fate things that I got a St. Lucia hand cream. Please, Bert, get down. God, and he stinks at the minute, he really does. He's taken to going out and rolling in any patches of snow or ice he can find. I do not know why, but then he gets really big paggles and I'm probably gonna have to shave him. That would be a video, wouldn't it? Shaving Bert. God. Anyway, here we go. It's Cacao and Wild Honey Hand Cream, RRP £7. January weather and a pandemic really do take their toll on hand hydration. Know what we mean, don't worry, we got you covered. This hand cream is practically an intensely nourishing drink for your skin. It's perfect for on-the-go hydration and it soothes, heals and regenerates. Simply rub generously into your hands for soft, smooth and divinely scented skin. Oh, and it will fit nicely in that new handbag you got for Christmas. Or in the January sales because we all deserve a new handbag. Well, of course, I got a new handbag for Christmas, didn't I? Right, Bert, behave. Sit, sit, sit. Oh, gosh. Sit, you know what sit means. Now stop it. I'm getting hair all over me. Right, it's got one of those, sorry, this is hopeless, isn't it? It's got one of these foil cap things on, which I'm taking off. Can't really smell that yet. Hang on. Let's try it again. Oh, that does smell nice, actually. What did I say it was? Cacao and honey, wild honey. It's, do you know, I've never smelled anything quite like that. That's different. Oh, yeah, It smells a bit, do you know what? There's something about it. Bert, get down, darling. There's something about it that smells like, oh, I don't know, something to do with painting and decorating. You're gonna think I'm balmy. But there's something we use, whether it's a, oh, I don't know, would it be sugar soap or something that has a faintly similar smell? I mean, it doesn't scream that, but that's what came to mind straight away. The minute I smelled it, I was like, oh yeah, something about decorating or a glue or something. The smell I'm not rating at all, you'll have gathered, but it has soaked in beautifully, which is really all you want, isn't it, from your hand cream? But I do like a nice smelling hand cream, so yeah, I mean, it's okay. It's okay. The smell on that is what I would say. They can't all be winners, can they? Not even for me. But yeah. Yeah, there's something and I don't know what it is. Maybe it's wild honey? I don't know. Anyway, let's move on. Next up is a mask, a moisturizing face mask. And it says on the front, repeat after me, I am enough. We all need to be repeating that, don't we? So this, Mallow's Beauty Watermelon Overnight Glow, £3 if you want to buy it. We all have those days when we don't feel good enough, perfectly normal. Oh, it's an overnight gel designed to make you glow inside and out. Positive affirmations are an essential part of self-care. Treating yourself with love and attentiveness is key. Oh, so you... Oh, and I like that. 5% of the profits from this company is donated to NHS charities. I do like that. So it's for dull, dry skin in need of a pickup. So you, before bedtime, pat a generous layer onto cleansed skin. Oh, Bert, please. No, now Mimi, you're joining in. Please stop it. Avoiding the delicate eye area. P.S. We've given you a bit extra so you can give your neck some TLC too. It's usually my chest that I have to do quite a lot of tending to. Get lots of sleep. And then wash and glow. I'll try that. I was expecting it to be another, you know, sheet mask or something like that. I was a bit kind of, because I've got quite a few on the go at the minute. But yeah, I'll give that a go. And the value on that was £3. I don't know if I told you that. I probably did. And then last but not least, let's have a look at this. This is puzzling. It's called Vivoo, Your Body's Voice. 1 month membership to Vivoo House. £25 is the value on this. Self-care starts on the inside. Looking after your health is crucial to a positive life. That's why we've got you this membership. With Vivoo's new technology, their test strips analyse your urine and provide personalised nutrition and lifestyle advice from experts unique to your body in just 120 seconds. How's your liver doing after last weekend? Do you drink enough water? Are your kidneys healthy? These are all questions you can find the answer to with your new membership. Results are 100% accurate and can be analysed easily via their app. So it says it's at-home urine test strips for nutrition and lifestyle advice based on your body's needs. Vivoo helps you track your hydration levels, pH, ketones, UTIs, and much more. So you download the app from Vivoo. Oh, look. And inside, this is Vivoo, I am your body's voice. Your body constantly tries to say something. No, not pizza. Mine does. It can be you need to drink more water, or how about running this morning for 20 minutes and preparing quick oatmeal for breakfast. Or I'm so lucky to have you. Think of me as an assistant that helps you find out what your body needs. So you can win an online nutrition consultation. There's a 20% discount code, and then there's 4 of these, which I would imagine, yes, these are the things that you wee on. And I'll tell you what it says on here. It says download the Vivoo application from the App Store or the Google Play Store and register. Urinate on all the boxes of the strip. So inside there's like little boxes. Don't urinate for more than a few seconds. Wait 2 minutes for the strip to be activated. A timer is displayed on the text screen for your convenience. Then tap the test icon in the app. Oh, to take a photo of your strip. It will then give you advice. Well, that's fascinating. And ties in with me just starting this diet. What a brilliant idea. I wonder if it works. Well, I mean, it must work, but I wonder if I'll value that, because that's quite a bit. What did we just say it was? It's £25 per month, I presume, which is quite a lot. But really fascinated to try this one and see what it can tell me about my body. Now, I know a few things about my body, so I'm going to be really curious to see whether these strips pick up the things that my doctor watches, you know? But that's really unusual. Not what I was expecting, but actually great for January. Let's be fair, it's great for January. Anything that makes us sort of focus a little bit more and maybe gives me a clue on a few things that I need to try or not try, or, you know, I'm kind of pleased. I'm a bit bewildered by that, but I am kind of pleased. So, right, in my lemonade box this month, I do love this box, is the Vivu, which I will give you a review on at some point and tell you what it says. I won't show you the strip or anything ghastly like that. I'll include it in one of my chats at some point. So the Vivu, month of Vivu, the hand cream, as I said, I'm not struck on the smell, but my hands do feel lovely. So I'm happy to use it. The face mask, yeah, face mask for nighttime, night face mask or night mask, or you know what I mean, watermelon. The 100 and, what did I say? The 109 pounds hyaluronic acid. I mean, by goodness, that'll have to be good to be worth 109. I don't pay anything like that for my ordinary one. I'll have to compare the ingredients maybe and see if there's something in this that makes it 109, because I think the hyaluronic I normally buy from the Ordinary is about, I want to say £10. It's not expensive. The Ordinary is such a reasonable brand. I'm happy. And then the gorgeous Sandalwood and Lemon Bath and Body Oil, which does smell lovely and surprises me, because as I say, I'm generally not a big lemon person. Yeah, it says sandalwood helps induce muscular relaxation, rosewood calms the skin, and the apricot seed soothes. So the lemon must just be in there for a scent, I suppose. Oh, that isn't it? But anyway, really like that too. So that was, sorry, I have chatted away. That was my lemonade box for the month of January. I was so excited to get it, and I'm never disappointed. There may be some things in there that I think, oh, I'm not sure, but I am never disappointed. There are always at least 1, 2, sometimes it's the whole box that I just think, that is amazing, and I'm really pleased with. And I have to say, my hands do feel lovely. Anyway, that was it. That was lemonade. I have chanted and chanted, and I'm going to be off now because I have so many other things to do. Don't we all at the moment? Okay, bye guys.